Jim, just going to fire it up for us. This is the latest acquisition to the museum. Started life, two KSS 1932 motors put together. Colin Peters and son James, they built it after they found the engine at Kempton Park. I think it was 1991, so they built this fantastic 700cc, of course, two 350s together. Apparently there was about 4 or 5 of these engines in various projects, and luckily we've got a real working one. So we're going to tidy it up a bit. He had a small front wheel in it for sidecar work and a flat front tire, which is a lot of good for solos. So Peter's having that back, and we're having the 21-inch front wheel, which he's got. Got it running in Castle R, which Jim's not too impressed with, because all it does is go up the works. Delorto carburetors, twin Delorto. So over to Jim. Well, what do you think, Jim, on this?
Well, we'll see. Hold the fuel up so the fuel's...
You get a bit of head of fuel on it like that. And probably second gear, Jim?
Yep.
Second gear, so fully retarded for starting. There you go. Probably one of the only Velocette Twin made.
Parallel twin.
Velocette Twin. So there we go, 700cc. Lovely bit of gear, so we're going to tidy it up a bit, put the 21-inch front wheel in it, lift it up the front, the exhaust pipes are not very happy, so Jim will have a look at those. And Hey Gusto, another acquisition for the museum. Another